she fuming.
Funny. Look at the wheels of this black Mercedes.
Yeah.
It's a dead easy job to let people out from here.
Yeah.
Sit. There you go. Alright?
Yeah.
Sound. You know, I've said before, when you're sat at the side of the road,
Yeah.
don't signal to be let out. Why is that different? Why is that scenario different?
What, because of the queue? On Monster Traffic?
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Yeah.
The difference between our speed and her speed
Yeah.
was nothing.
Yeah.
So I know she didn't have to indicate, we read the script beforehand there, but when you're in a queue like that, or when you're parked at the side of the road and you would like to be let out into a queue, you can't wait for a gap, because a gap will never come, it will be an hour later.
Yeah.
So if your speed is very similar to that of the traffic that you're trying to fit into, you're totally fine indicating to ask.
Yeah.
But it's when the traffic that you're trying to fit into is much faster than you, don't sit and ask.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Good.